What are we doing? We're walking the woods today, aren't we? We're walking the trails. Are you with Papa and Nana? Yes. What is the date today? Like February the 2nd, 2000? So I think today's date is February the 2nd, 2013. Tell me if I'm going to run into anything. You having fun? You having fun? You walking backwards like me? Whoa! Uh-oh. Here, wipe them on my glove. Wipe it on my glove. There you go. Yeah, just wipe it there. Get it off? That's good. You wiped it off. That's alright. You want me to wipe it off the glove again? There you go. Yeah, I know. You don't like to be dirty sometimes, do you? Ooh, I hear some ducks.
There you go.
There you go. Okay. All done? Okay.
There you go.
Where are we going? Where are we going? We're walking the trails. Uh-oh, I see somebody running. In purple. Oh, I think that's Nana running.
Nana.
Yeah, she was way back there. I saw her. Okay, tell the camera bye.
Bye.